Hello, my dear learning friends, and welcome back to Free English Practice. I'm your host, Eddie. Today's episode is for beginners. You want to learn English, but you're not sure how to begin. You want to make progress, but you don't know what to do first. Today, I will give you a different plan. This plan will make your learning English feel easy and maybe even fun. Let's begin. All right, let's talk about something very helpful. It is called a theme. What is a theme? A theme is a topic. A theme is a subject, something you can talk about. For example, food, home, family, shopping, the weather. Each of these is a different theme. Now, here is the idea. Each week, choose just one theme. Not many, not 5. One topic, one theme, one focus. Why? Because when you focus on one theme, you can understand more, you can remember more, and you feel less tired. Let's take an example. Imagine this week you choose the theme food. That means every day this week you look at food words. You listen to short English about food. You speak or write short food sentences. You don't study everything. You don't look at verbs and grammar and clothes and animals all in one day. You focus only on food. Day by day, your brain makes stronger connections. The food words will stay in your memory. You can write words like bread, rice, eggs, chicken. You can make simple sentences like I eat rice. My mom cooks chicken. You can listen to a video about shopping or cooking. Even if you don't understand everything, that's okay. You are hearing real English. Maybe next week your theme is the home. You learn words like bed, door, window, kitchen, table, sofa. You write sentences like I sit on the sofa. I open the window. I clean the kitchen. Another week you choose feelings words like happy, sad, tired, excited, scared. And you write sentences like I feel tired today. She is happy. He looks sad. This is slow learning but strong learning. You're not rushing. You are not stressed. You are building your English like building a house. One room at a time. One theme at a time. You can write your theme on paper or on your phone. Each week, one new theme. After 10 weeks, you know 10 themes. And slowly you begin to speak. You begin to understand and you feel proud of yourself. So remember, do not study everything. Study one thing at a time. Choose one theme every week. Stay with it. Use it and enjoy it. Now, let's talk about something very important, something that many people forget, something that can help you learn faster and remember more. Connect English to your emotions. Let me explain. What are emotions? Emotions are your feelings. When you are happy, that is an emotion. When you are sad, that is also an emotion. You can feel angry, excited, nervous, scared, or proud. All of these are emotions. But what do emotions have to do with English? The answer is, a lot. When you feel something, when you feel an emotion, your brain remembers more. Your brain learns better. Let me give you an example. You hear a joke in English. You laugh. You smile. You feel happy. You don't forget that sentence. You remember it. Why? Because you felt something. You felt joy. Or maybe you listened to a short story. It's about a mother and her child. You feel love. You feel warm inside. This is how you learn best. Not just with your eyes, not just with your ears, but with your feelings. So, how can you connect emotions to English? Here are some simple ways. First, watch short videos or movie scenes. Not just to learn words, but to feel something. Even if you don't understand everything, watch the faces, listen to the voices, feel the moment. Second, listen to music in English. Songs often talk about love, hope, sadness, or joy. Listen with your heart. Maybe you like the rhythm. Maybe one line feels special. That's great. That feeling helps you remember. Third, read simple stories. Stories are full of emotions. Even very short stories can make you feel surprised, calm, or curious. That emotion will help you learn more deeply. Here is the next one. Talk or write about your feelings. I feel tired. I am happy today. My friend is sad. When you use your own feelings in English, it becomes more personal. It becomes more real. You're not just learning a language. You are living the language. You are using it to show who you are. This, my friend, is very powerful. This is how children learn, with feelings, with connection, and with emotion. So don't be afraid to feel something when you learn. That feeling is part of the journey. Okay. Now, let's talk about something very important. Something that can help you learn English every day without stress, without pressure, and without long study sessions. You don't need to study English for many hours. You don't need to sit at a desk for a long time. You don't need to feel tired or bored. Instead, just have small English moments. What is a moment? A moment is a short time. Maybe 1 minute, maybe 5 minutes. Small moments, short moments, easy moments. But these moments can help you grow. These moments can help you learn. These moments can help you improve. Let me give you some examples. In the morning, you wake up, you stretch, you brush your teeth. Can you say one sentence in English? Something simple like, I feel sleepy. The water is cold. I have a meeting today. It's just one small English moment, but it's real. It's connected to your life. During the day, you walk to the bus stop. You look at the sky. Can you think in English? Can you say, the sun is shining? It is cloudy. There are many people today. That's another small English moment. Even 2 sentences help. You open your lunch. You see your food. Try to name it in English. Say it in your mind. I like oranges. The tea is hot. Another small English moment. Before bed, you are tired. It's time to sleep. But you think about your day. Try to say 2 or 3 sentences in English. Something like I worked today. I called my sister. I read a book. That is your final English moment for the day. Now think about this. In one day, you had 4 or 5 small English moments. Each one was just 2 to 3 minutes. But together they are powerful. They are strong and they help your brain learn slowly and gently. When you do this every day, you make English a natural part of your life. It's not something you only do after work or on the weekend. It becomes a habit, something you do without thinking, just like drinking water, just like brushing your teeth. It becomes part of your daily life. And that is the secret. Not hours, not pressure, not stress, just small, simple, beautiful English moments every day. Music. All right. Many people begin learning English with a book. Some people start with an app on their phone. But today, I want you to try something different. I want you to start with your world. Yes, your own world, your home, your street, your kitchen, the things you see and touch every day, the things you use, the people you talk to. Start learning English with your life. Look around you. What do you do every day in the morning? Do you make tea or coffee? Do you open the window? Do you check your phone? These are small things, but they are real things, and real things are great for learning. Now ask yourself, what do I call this in English? What is the name of this object in English? Let's try with an example. You go to the kitchen. You open the fridge. You see food. Stop for a moment. Look at one item. Ask yourself, what is this called in English? Maybe you see milk. Maybe you see cheese. Maybe it's something new. If you don't know the word, no problem. Just check. Look it up. Use your phone, a picture dictionary or Google Translate, but only one word. Just one. That is enough for now. You don't need 10 words. One is good. Why? Because one word today and one word tomorrow becomes many words over time. Now, let's try outside. You go for a walk. Look at your street. What do you see? Do you see a tree? Do you see a car? A dog? Do you see people? A bus? Do you see a traffic light? Say the word in English if you know it. If you don't know it, check it again. Choose one word. Speak it. Say it out loud if you can, or just say it in your mind. That means say it silently inside your head. Now the word is part of your day. And that is powerful because when you learn English this way, it is not just studying. It is not just sitting with a book. It is living. You are living with English. English becomes part of your daily life. It is not just a subject you study. It becomes something you use, something connected to you. And that is the best way to learn English. Okay, my dear friend, you have listened to this whole episode. That means you are learning. You are already on the path. You are already doing something powerful. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. You just need to keep going step by step, day by day, moment by moment. And remember, you are not alone. There are many people like you, learning slowly, learning kindly, learning with love. You are doing something beautiful and I am proud of you. Thank you for being here with me today. Thank you for listening and thank you for learning. I'm Eddie and this is Free English Practice. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.